Respected sir and madam, good morning to one and all. My name is S. Vaishnavi. I am studying 10th standard. My tuition name is Lokshit Tutorial. My seminar subject is biology. My seminar topic is coordination, the linking system. Do you know what is mean by coordination? Coordination means the different types of movements in our body. It refers one body to another body is known as coordination. First of all, I will tell about responding to stimuli. What is response? Response means to make a change in our body is known as response. What is stimuli? Stimuli means to make a force in our body is known as stimuli. First of all, I will tell about example of responding to stimuli. Example, when one man touches our body, we will respond to another man is known as responding to stimuli. Example of responding to stimuli in plants. Mimosa pudicalus, it is the best example for responding to stimuli. Called pulvini. We should appreciate the plants in ecosystem. We should appreciate more responding to stimuli. All living organisms have responding to stimuli will respond. Next, nervous cell. Do you know what is nerve cell? Nervous cell is nothing but neuron. Cell division has 3 layers called cell body, axon, dendrites. Cell body is in white color, axon is in grey color. It refers from brain to spinal cord. It has connect to afferent and efferent nerves. There are 3 types of nerves: afferent nerves, association nerves. Afferent nerves is nothing but sensory organs. They are incoming nerves. They have touch with brain to spinal cord. Efferent nerves is nothing but motor nerves. Afferent nerves has outcoming nerves. They have touch with spinal cord to brain. Association nerves. The nerves links between efferent and afferent nerves is known as association nerves. There are 3 types of central nervous system: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomous nervous system. Central nervous system, the differences between brain and spinal cord is known as central nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, the vast system in nervous system is known as peripheral nervous system. Autonomous nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic is known as autonomous nervous system. Sympathetic, the nerves links between from ganglia towards association nerves is known as sympathetic nerves. Parasympathetic nerves, the nerves links between from ganglia with touch with afferent and efferent nerves is known as parasympathetic nerves. Brain has box-like bony-like structures called cerebrum. It has 3 layers called meninges. Brain has 3 layers: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain, cerebrum, olfactory lobes. Midbrain, optic lobes. Hindbrain, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Next, spinal cord. In 14th century, Leonardo Vinci and 16th century Stephen Hawking was told by the spinal cord in frogs. Spinal cord is present in our body, lumbar region. Tropic and nastic movement in plants. Phototrophism. Phototrophism means photo means light. Trophism means movement. Geotrophism, to make plants have a gravitational force is known as geotrophism. Thigmotrophism. Thigmotrophism means to make contact or called thigmotrophism. Hydrotrophism, to make reduce water called hydrotrophism. Next, chemotrophism. Chemotrophism means to make a chemicals is called chemotrophism. I hope you all understand. Thanking you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Stay safe.
Stay safe and stay home.